Welcome. This video explains what is purpose of FM calculator generator. Also you will see the benefits of this tool over Excel sheets. This is FM calculator generator tool. By using this tool, you can generate this type of calculator of any formula. This calculator can also generate this type of calculation report. This tool does not require any programming. This is very simple and easy. Before generating this type of calculator, we shall know what is calculator and why it is important. Calculator is tool used to compute simple or complex mathematical expressions quickly. This is similar tool like Excel sheet used for quick calculations. Calculator is important because it helps to quickly solve engineering problems by just input numeric values. This is sample calculator made in Excel sheet. By input numeric values of internal pressure, inside diameter of shell, material allowable stresses, joint efficiency of seam and corrosion allowance, we can calculate shell thickness against internal pressure according to ASME code. If we double click on cells, we can see the formulas used for calculations. This is calculator generated by FM calculator generator tool. Type numeric values of internal pressure, inside diameter, allowable stress of material, joint efficiency of seam, corrosion allowance. Click calculate button. The shell thicknesses are calculated. Also the calculation report generated. The report shows real mathematical equations along with input data and results. You can insert any custom image for your calculator. In Excel sheet, formatting is required and it takes time, if sheet is too lengthy. In FM calculators, no formatting is required. The user interface of calculator generated automatically without using any programming. In Excel sheet, formula variables are not same as actual formula variables. In FM calculators, for generating any calculator, we require only input variables, output variables and formula. In FM calculators, formula variables can be same as actual formula variables. Excel sheets can be viewed or edited on browsers using third-party websites like Google Sheets, or third-party mobile applications. Calculators generated by FM calculator tool can be viewed on browsers on computers, browsers on mobiles, or on separate mobile application. These mobile applications can be made without any programming and can be uploaded to Google Play Store. In next videos, I will show you 1. How to create calculators using FM calculator generator tool. 2. How to create menu page using FM calculator generator tool. 3. How to create free website. 4. How to upload your calculators and menu files on website. 5. In last tutorial, I will show you how to create Android mobile application for your calculators without programming. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, Fayaz Memon, for more videos and tutorials.